The concept of this video is from the Spanish influence, the Spanish tapas. So we use a dosa, we turn to uttapam, and that is made crispy, and when you eat it, it tastes like the same texture of a pizza. So we use an egg white and yolk separate, mix it like how you make an omelette. The egg white, first cook the base of the dosa, then top up with the egg white mixture. Once it's set, I'll put the yolk on the top with a bit of ghee and gunpowder for added taste and the texture. Cook it covered, and if you want a runny yolk, don't cook it too further. Just cover it for a minute or two and keep the yolk running. And this way, in here we use it fully done, so it's fully cooked yolk. But you can see in the video it's fully cooked yet nice yellow bright. So that's a nice way of cooking a yolk if you don't want to use a color. Okay. Enjoy the video. Keep subscribing to us. Click the bell icon so you will get to know more videos. How we do it, how we plan it. It's all pure Indian cuisine, but we take the innovative route. Keep sticking to us. Thank you. Believe you enjoyed watching the video. Subscribe to us. Thank you.